Hello YouTube, this is Salam. In this video I'll show you how I'm going to bore a slab for my condenser unit. I hope you enjoyed this video. In the past, the condenser unit used to sit on that piece of rubber. However, the ground shift a lot around here, and I had to shim it several times to keep the condenser unit level. This may put stress on the pipes. So I'm going to connect it directly to the house. Also, fire ants for some reason like to live underneath it, and they will get inside the condenser unit. I'm going to use rubber between the concrete and the condenser, and I think this will be a better alternative than that rubber slab. Those rubber slabs, they're cheap, they're less than 50 bucks a piece. The concrete costs me more. However, I want to do a good job and more permanent than that. And I will build it a little bit wider, so in the future, if we decide to install bigger unit, we can. Immediately after I removed the old condenser unit, I protected the lines with some plastic and electric tape to protect them from anything getting inside them. These plastic and rubber slabs will deform and shift with the ground. The only positive thing about these slabs are the price, as they are cheaper and easier to install than concrete slab. As you see, this old slab cave in the middle about 3/4 inch, and this will happen with all kind of plastic and rubber slabs. The measurements that I'm taking are to ensure the new concrete slab will be large enough for the new condenser unit. And the AC line will hit the new condenser unit while it is centered on this slab. I also want to make sure the new slab is square, level, smooth, strong, and all that good stuff. I welded all these 3/8 rods together, and I run some of them about 2 inches into the house slab. I verified the rods below the surface of the concrete. This frame is level. I checked it at all points. I even ran that piece of steel across and I checked it. It's good. And now I'm going to mix this concrete using my drill mixer and this bucket. While I'm waiting for the concrete to harden a little bit, I went ahead and fabricated this so I could run the edges of the concrete. I just welded this piece of 2-inch pipe. It's still a little bit too wet. I will wait another hour and I will smooth it. I'll run the edges and then I'll wait 30 minutes or an hour or so, and then I will remove the form and I'll show you how this looks like tomorrow. Last night, after I smoothed this concrete slab and I removed the form, it started raining. I had to cover it with the plastic. Once it dry up, I will show you how it looked like. This slab came out great, and this homemade tool worked out great too. The way I build it, I put this on the vise with a piece of pipe. Then I bend it like this and I welded this piece of pipe to it. I used the 3/4 inch pipe to do this roundness. And as you see, it worked great. And it stuck real well to the house. And it's very smooth. I basically tie it like this on the vise, and then I bend it until it's rounded to match the profile of this pipe. For better isolation, to prevent any vibration or noise getting into the house, because you know I bought a concrete slab, so I'm going to use this 3/4 inch thick rubber mat. I'm going to cut it to size. They didn't cut it square. I'm going to square it. I'm going to cut it right in the middle over here, just so it will look nice for this video. I have the slab ready. It's perfectly level and it's solid, and I have this 3/4 inch rubber mat for isolation so the vibration doesn't go to the house. And I already made the hole bigger, so I bring the new lines easier. And now I'm ready to bring the new condensing unit. I done with this project. I ended up adding 2 more pieces of rubber from that rubber mat that I have. The reason I did that, I want to make sure vibration will not transfer to the concrete. Also, I needed to raise the unit so I get the lines to it easier. The unit is running. It's very quiet. I don't hear or feel anything other than the blower motor inside the house. This rubber and the concrete slab was a great idea. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and thank you for your support, and I'll see you later. Take care.